want to do this outdoor kitchen really is going to end up looking around $20,000. Welcome to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. Today we are actually in my personal backyard. Before we get into it, if you could give us a like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. It does help us bring you more content about home design and renovation. So, my backyard. This is a space that when we finished the house was sort of left. I did some hardscape, but we couldn't really do much more. And as you remember, we put in a center pergola, which was fantastic. It helps to define this space, but it was still leaving a lot to be desired. So we added 2 additional pergolas, and we have now gotten our dining set up, which is fantastic. The day that this 450-pound table was put in, it got used. It's been used nonstop since. We added in a lot of additional overhead string lighting, which creates some great ambiance and is also very functional. So now that the dining is done, the first 3 layers are done in the living space, not quite the 4th, but we have the other section over here, which is the cooking section of the backyard. And to say it leaves a lot to be desired is an understatement. It bothers me very much. I'm disappointed in myself. A lot of emotions running through when I look over here, and there's just a sad, sad grill. But I don't always have the budget of my clients, and so some things take time. So the way that I want to do this outdoor kitchen really is going to end up looking around $20,000, and that's me leveraging connections, pricing, people I know, doing it myself with those people that I know, because I just want it done a certain way. And so that's going to take me a little bit longer to accomplish. So I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a phase 1, and it'll hold me over for a season or 2. And I'm going to kind of do it in a way that's going to let me build upon it. And so right now we plan on doing sort of a 91-inch prep table over here. And the idea is that I can then take that prep table and tie into it and continue to wrap around. But for the time being, it will act as its own individual piece and just give us a lot more space to cook and work and prep out here. But then it'll also act as a furniture piece, grounding the space, making it feel sort of equally balanced to the other side. And so I think it'll be a nice place to start. And then when there's money to continue to do this and do proper stone on top and purchase a new grill and a flat top griddle, like, I will be able to tie into it. And the reason I'll be able to tie into that is because I'm using leftover wood that I had from when we did the pergolas. And so I know it's Douglas fir wood. I can buy more of it. I can add on to it. And I'm specifically going to build this to a size that will allow me to do that. And so I'll show you my dirty little secret on the side of the house, but this is where I've been storing it and some other odds and ends that I don't want people to see. But we've got a ton of wood left, and so I'm going to build something that I hope is pretty enough to make me happy for the next season or 2. So we have our dining area set up here. I love it. These chairs were actually an Amazon buy. We can link them. Really affordable, easy to clean, no cushions to maintain, which is great. And the table is from Living Spaces, and it is a concrete table with a travertine finish, and because of that, it weighs 450 pounds. It can stand up to the elements of Southern California, and it is not going anywhere.